Hello, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. I am very happy to say that at this evening time, there's area is very calm, and you can see behind me there's boys are playing football. This area's maximum boys playing football and volleyball, cricket, etc. First of all, there's this playing and exercise, physical exercise, very important for everybody because if you making your fitness, you will be success, you will be helpful, and you will be a good person. So my request to you that please continue your physical exercise like running. Uh, Playing like football, cricket, volleyball, handball, etc. It's very important parts in our life. So physical exercise and physical working is very important for our present life.